with classes from the 70s, like that, and add the 60s and 80s to it on Classic Rock Mix. Order more than 100 extra channels on a Sirius XM app, free for most subscribers. Download it today and start listening outside the car.
Well, yes, you are. Slide
You gotta sit. Coming in over here.